We're Emeline and Dean and we're travelling Southeast Asia. In this video we travel from Ho Chi Minh in Vietnam to Mui Ne, a small coastal town around 4 hours east. This quaint little area has become a popular pit stop for travellers either heading north or south along the Vietnamese coast because of its beautiful sand dunes, rivers and beaches. So here is everything we got up to in 48 hours in Mui Ne. We are currently in Ho Chi Minh and we are making our way via sleeper bus to Mui Ne.
Yep.
And it'll be our first sleeper bus experience, so I'm not quite sure what to expect, but I think we booked a pretty nice one, so should be okay. Let's give it a go. Here and here.
Where are we?
Here and here.
Is this the bunks? Ho ho ho!
Look at that. Got TV and everything.
TV, water, power sockets.
Should be alright.
It's like plush. Okay. What do you reckon, Em? Hello! I think this is great. This is a super way to travel and very convenient. We plan to do more of these at night as well as we're doing now. I think purely because we like to get the most out of the days, travel at the night, less traffic, and hopefully we can get a little bit of sleep in, which I think we will.
Not bad. Not bad. The journey took around 4 hours in total.
Good morning from Mui Ne. We're going to rent a scooter for the day, go and explore properly, and then this evening I think we're going to head off somewhere to go and watch the sunset. So far the people seem very, very friendly here, which is nice.
So I've just stopped off for some food in a kind of Western style little restaurant along the roadside here. So Dean went for a smoothie bowl and I went for a bacon sandwich, and then the ferry stream is about another 5-minute walk on the road, so we'll head over there in a bit. So we have made it to the bottom of the ferry stream, and I think you maybe walk half a kilometre up and it kind of opens out a bit and you get some really nice views of like the surrounding areas and things like that. So we're going to take a little mooch up, see what we find. So we've made it to the main sort of section of the ferry river that you see all the photos being taken at, and we're only two of 6 people here. It's really quiet and you're surrounded with these burnt orange cliff faces. I think we quite enjoyed that little walk up. It's free to come and view, and what we also said as well is that it's not been overrun with tourism just yet. Like we go to a lot of places where there's just stalls, and here it's just nature, which makes a change. So yeah, would recommend coming here. It's really, really nice and refreshing as well. Okay, so Dean has taken a grab to the motorbike rental shop that we have decided to go with, and then Dean's going to come and pick me up when he's got the moped. So yeah, that's the plan. So we have just made it to the red sand dunes, which is only about 10-15 minute drive from our accommodation, and it's quite a view. I mean, it pretty much goes all the way around. We walked up here, only took about 5 minutes. Free to come up here as well, and to top it off, we are the only ones here. Like, literally the only ones. After the red sand dunes, we decided to head to the beach. So we've just arrived at one of the beaches along the front of Mui Ne, and we've just come and dipped our feet in the water, expecting that cold chill that you usually get when you first get in the ocean. And the water is like a bath. It is hot water. It's so bizarre. I mean, you would think with all this open ocean it would be chilly, but it's not in the slightest. It's so warm. If it wasn't so choppy, I'd probably be getting in right now, but you can see why there's a kite surf kind of scene here, because it is really windy.
Really, really big jellyfish washing up ashore.
After the beach, we decided to head out for a couple of drinks, but we didn't film. We decided to just take an evening for ourselves, and it was really nice.
Good morning, it's just gone 5:10 here in Mui Ne, and we have just arrived at the white sand dunes, where we're now going to take about a 25-minute walk up to the top of the dunes. There is the option for quad bike, but we thought why not embrace it a little bit more and take the walk.
do it.
So some context here, the evening before we booked a sunrise tour with a local company called Mui Ne travel service. This included 4 locations and was only 150,000 on each.
So we've made it to the top of the white sand dune. It only took about 15 minutes to walk up here, and it's quite a nice walk as well. And yeah, we've beat sunrise just about, it's just coming up behind. Should be a nice one. And yeah, we've got about an hour here, so lots of time.
As we mentioned earlier, there was an option to get a quad bike to the top and back down, but it was an extra 500,000 dong, and to be honest, we really enjoyed the walk, so yeah, we recommend just walking.
Just on our way back down from the top, and now that the sun has come up, it's lit up all the sand and it looks really golden and lovely. We've made it to the red sand dunes again, and we were here yesterday, but it was a stop that was included in our tour, so we get to see it twice. And it's quite nice this time of day as well because it's a lot more golden where the light's so low still. So yeah, really nice. We're at our third stop of the day, which is the fishing village, and we're really baffled by how they go out on the open ocean on these tiny little round boats. I mean, they hardly look like they should float, let alone take them out there and fish from them. So really cool. The fourth and final stop of our little tour were the fairy pools, but we did them yesterday, so we thought we'll give it a miss. Our accommodation's only 15-minute walk away, so we're just taking a little stroll back, and we're going to be packing our bags. Oh, Dean got a coffee as well, so he's happy. Just going to pack our bags, sort out our transport to our next location and go from there.
And that concluded our time in Mui Ne. Check out our next video as we head to Dalat. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to see more of us travelling Southeast Asia.